POCO has officially announced the launch date of POCO X6 Neo smartphone in India. It is set to debut in the country next week. The upcoming offering will offer X6 5G and X6 5G Pro. That was announced in January this year. The smartphone is also confirmed to be available from Flipkart. Additionally, ahead of the launch, the POCO X6 Neo has surfaced on Geekbench benchmarking platform with its hardware details. The X6 Neo is confirmed to launch in India on March 13th at 12 p.m. local time. Flipkart will also put up a microsite on the upcoming offering, revealing its design and key details. The smartphone is seen with flat edges and elongated rectangular camera island on the rear. It features two sensors, that is a 108 megapixel primary lens and LED flash unit. On the front, it has a centered punch hole offering 93.3% screen to body ratio. The brand teases the upcoming design with a bezel-less design and 7.69mm thick body. It will come with a processor that is called as Gold and could be powered by the Dimensity 6080. It has 6 cores of 2 GHz and 2 cores sticking at 2.4 GHz. The listing reveals 12 GB of RAM and will ship with Android 14 out of the box.